This would be a seminal moment in American Jewish history if there was sort of a national translation, Yiddish translation project, where you had hundreds of people translating in different places, around tables with dictionaries spread out on them. I think generations from now, people would look back on this as a major achievement and a major achievement of cultural innovation and creativity. But it takes time, and it also takes organization, it also takes money. So someone has to spearhead that massive translation project. And I'm hoping that there are enough people now who see it as important that I think it may not come about with the speed or the breadth that I'm proposing, but I think that people are going to start realizing that translation is absolutely critical for this literature to have any meaning. One doesn't just collect books to say that they have the books. One needs to open those books. And they can't be opened unless they're understood. And there's only two ways to understand them. Either undertake massive Yiddish teaching in language so people can read them in the original, or massive Yiddish translation. Someone's going to have to be figuring out what the best strategy is. I've already played my cards on that, I think.